Welcome back, children. Today I am Vijayalakshmi going to teach you another chapter of grammar, that is lesson 9, comparison of adjectives. We have learned what adjectives are. You know that adjectives are describing words that describes nouns or pronouns. Now read these sentences. Ravi is a tall boy. What kind of boy Ravi is? He is tall. This is a simple sentence. Here there is no comparison as the boy noun is described here that he is tall. These type of sentences are called positive degree where we do not compare. Second sentence, Rakesh is taller than Ravi. Now taller word which is a describing word and it is describing to Rakesh that he is taller than Ravi. And the comparison is done between two people. Such type of words are comparative degree and it indicates comparison between Rakesh and Ravi. In the third sentence, the adjective tallest indicates that the Rajesh is the tallest boy of the three. That means among Ravi, Rakesh and Rajesh, Rajesh is the tallest and it is the highest degree. This type of degree is called as superlative degree. Now see another example. This is a big ball. Now what kind of ball it is? Ball is a noun here. So what kind of ball it is? Big. So big is adjective here, but there is no comparison done. So these type of sentence are positive degree. They are they come in the comparison of adjective as a positive degree as there is no comparison is done. In the second sentence, the orange ball is bigger than the black ball. That means the orange ball is compared with the black ball. And bigger word has come for orange ball. It is describing to orange ball that it is bigger than black ball. So when the comparison is done between two things, it is comparative degree. And in the third sentence, the red ball is the biggest among all the balls. That means it is the highest form of degree, that is superlative degree. Biggest word is showing superlative degree of adjectives as the red ball is the biggest one among all the balls. So big, bigger, biggest. In this way, the comparison has been done. Now we have understood that the degrees of comparison in adjective in done in three forms. First, simple or primary degree of adjective or positive degree of adjective. An adjective in the positive degree refers to some quality in a person or thing without any comparison. Second, comparative degree of adjective. It is used when we make comparison between two persons or things. That means comparison is done between two persons. Whereas in positive degree, there is no comparison. In superlative degree of adjective, it is used when we compare more than two persons or things. Remember, we always compare the same characteristics or the same attributes for same persons or things. Over here, in the previous example, we are comparing the size of red ball not with the color. That is, we compare with the same attributes. As we have understood how to do the comparison in adjective or what type of comparison is done in adjectives, degrees of comparison. Now, positive degree has no comparison. Example, tea is hot. Here hot is an adjective. So tea is hot. There is no comparison. So it is a positive degree of adjective. Now comparative degree of an adjective is followed by then. Means whenever you will use a comparative degree, it should be followed by then. See the same example. Now I have compared tea with milk. Now tea is hotter than milk. That means then is showing the comparison between tea and milk. That it is tea is hotter than milk. Now hotter is a comparative degree of adjective and positive degree it was hot. Now superlative degree of an adjective is preceded by the. That means before the adjective the comes, it shows that it is a superlative degree. Example, the sun is the brightest star in the sky. Among all the stars, which is the brightest, that is the sun. So it shows the superlative degree. Now we are going to discuss the rules, how to form the comparative degree and superlative degrees of adjective. The first rule is by adding ER in comparative and EST respectively to the positive formation. That is, like in positive, bright is an adjective. When we make comparative of bright, we will add ER to it. It will become brighter. And to superlative, we will add EST. So it will become brightest. So bright, brighter, brightest. In the second, cold. Now we have added in the comparative degree ER after cold. It has become colder. And in superlative degree, we have added EST, that is coldest. Similarly, high, higher, highest. Slow, slower, slowest. Rich, richer, richest. Old, older, oldest. So we can make comparative and superlative degrees by adding ER and EST respectively to the positive formation. Now see one example. This you will do yourself and find out the answer. Today the weather is dash than yesterday. The adjective word is here warm. Now change it. This you will do yourself. The second rule is if an adjective ends in E word, only R is added in comparative form and EST is added in superlative form. At the end, the word E should be there in adjective in the positive form. Now see the example, brave. Here, brave is having at the end E word. So when we will make it in a comparative form, it will become braver as I have added R there in the comparative form. And in superlative form, EST is added. It will become bravest, ST. So another example you can see large, larger, largest. Late, later, latest. So in this way you can form it like noble, nobler, noblest. Rude, ruder, rudest. Safe, safer, safest. Wide, wider, widest. All these words have E at the end. And when we make it comparatively, we add R. And when we make it superlative, we add ST in it. Now another example that you will solve yourself. My chocolate box is dash than his. The word is large. Make it. What form of adjective will come in this blank? Do it yourself. The third rule is when a word ends in a consonant preceded by a vowel, the final consonant is doubled before adding ER and EST. That means, now you see the example, big. Now big at the end word is a consonant word, that is G. And before G there is a vowel word, that is I, which is a vowel. So when we will make it comparative, what will happen? The consonant word is doubled, that is G is doubled. So double G has come, and then we will add ER in comparative and EST in superlative. So it has become big, bigger, biggest. Similarly, hot. Now here T is consonant and O is vowel. So before that consonant, vowel is there. So the consonant word will be doubled. So it will become hotter, hottest in superlative degree. So ER is added with that, and EST in superlative degree is added. Similarly, thin, thinner, thinnest. Here N is doubled. So thinner, thinnest. Similarly, wet, wetter, wettest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Dim, dimmer, dimmest. Fat, fatter, fattest. In all these words, before the consonant word, vowel is there. And because of this, the consonant word is doubled. After doubling, ER is added in comparative and EST is added in superlative. Solve another example. Today is the dash of the season. The word is hot. Now what will come here? What form of adjective will come here? Correct form of adjective you have to fill yourself. The fourth rule is by changing Y into I and adding ER and EST. Now see the example. Busy. Here word is ending with the Y word in positive form. And when we do comparative, what we will do? We will remove the Y and we will add IER. So it will become busier. And in superlative form, we will remove the Y and we will add IEST to the word. So it will become busiest. Similarly, easy, easier, easiest. Here Y is removed here. In comparative degree, it has become IER. So busier, and in superlative IEST. So easiest. Happy, happier, happiest. In some cases, we can simply add it ER also, like gay, gayer, gayest, grey, grayer, greyest. Now solve this example. Again yourself. My mother is a dash woman. The word adjective word is busy. Now put the correct degree of adjective in the blank. Do it yourself. Now there are some exceptions in degrees of adjectives also, which do not follow any of these rules. So you can see these words also, like good. Now in the positive form good is there, then comparative it will become better, and in superlative it will be best. Bad, in comparative it will become worse, and in superlative it will become worst. Similarly, many or much. When we do comparison, it will become more, and when we will write in superlative, we will write most. So many, more, most, or much, more, most. Now here is another example that you will solve. The weather today is dash than that of yesterday. Now the word is bad. Now put the correct degree of adjective here. Another rule is by adding more and most. Some of the adjective do not change, but simply we add before that more and most. More in comparative degree and most in superlative degree. The examples: active. In comparative it will become more active. In superlative it will become most active. Second example, beautiful. In comparative it will be more beautiful. In superlative it will be most beautiful. Similarly, important. It will become more important in comparative, and most important in superlative. Another example you have to solve yourself. The rose is the dash flower and the word is beautiful. The adjective word is beautiful. Put the correct degree of adjective in the blank. Some of the exercises which are given in your book and do in your copy also very neatly and clearly without any mistake. Write the comparative and superlative degrees of the following adjectives. The positive form is given to you. You have to fill the comparative and superlative. So first one is able. So the comparative will be abler because at the end the word is E. So I told you the rule that we will add R in comparative and in superlative we will add ST. So able, abler, ablest. Second, bright, brighter, brightest. Third, cold, colder, coldest. Fourth, safe, safer, safest. Fifth, fine, finer, finest. Sixth, gay, gayer, gayest. Seventh, idle, idler, idlest. Eighth, jolly, jollier, jolliest. Here in the eighth sentence you can see Y is at the end. So we have removed Y that and instead of that in comparative we have written IER and in superlative IEST. So jolly, jollier, jolliest. If you will follow the rules, you will be able to do the comparison of adjectives very nicely. We will do fill in the blanks with the correct degree of adjectives. First, Burj Khalifa is the dash building in the world. The word is in the bracket is tall. The adjective given here is tall. As I told you earlier children that superlative degree of an adjective is preceded by the. So before the blank the is there. So you will use here superlative degree of tall. That is tallest. So Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. Second question. He has dash money than his friend. The word adjective here is little. As in this sentence, he and his friend, the comparison of money is done between he and his friend. So here comparative degree will come. So comparative degree of little will be less. So he has less money than his friend. Third question, Mount Everest is the dash peak of the world. The word adjective here is high. Now, as I told you earlier, in the superlative degree, it is preceded by the. So, here also the is written. So, we will use superlative degree of high. That is highest. So, Mount Everest is the highest peak of the world. Fourth question. Gold is dash than silver. Now, the word adjective here in the bracket is expensive. So, comparison is done between gold and silver. And I told you in comparative degree of an adjective, it is followed by then. So then is also here. So you will use a comparative degree of expensive. That is more expensive. So gold is more expensive than silver. Your painting is dash than your friends. Now your painting and your friend's painting is compared. And the word in the bracket, the adjective word is given here is good. So the comparative degree of good is better. So the sentence will be your painting is better than your friends. Sixth question. The Ganga is the dash river of India. The adjective word here is long. As it is written the there, so we will use the superlative degree. So it will become the longest. The Ganga is the longest river of India. Seventh question. Kavita is an dash student. The word adjective here is intelligent. Now children, here Kavita is not compared with anyone. Okay, so there is no comparison here. So what we will do, we will use positive degree of it. For positive degree of adjective means as it is, we will use this adjective bracket adjective here. That is Kavita is an intelligent student. Eighth question. Mumbai is the dash city of India. Again, the is written there. So superlative degree will come as it is preceded by the. So Mumbai is the biggest city of India. Superlative degree of biggest, biggest. Ninth question. This is a dash habit. Now habit is not compared with any other habit. So the word adjective bad. So it will come as it is bad here. This is a bad habit because there is no comparison done. So the positive degree of bad is bad only. So bad will come here. Last question. Ramesh is dash then his friend. The word in the bracket is active. Now Ramesh and his friend is compared. So the comparative degree will come and then is also there. So we will write more active because comparative degree of active is more active. So the sentence will be the Ramesh is more active than his friend. Now see the other exercise. Underline the correct adjective form given in the brackets in each sentence. Here the 3 degrees of adjectives will be given to you. You have to choose the correct one which will come. So read the sentence properly and find out. Now first, this dictionary is dash. The word in the brackets are informative, more informative, most informative than that dictionary. As dictionary is compared with this and that and also then is there. So comparative degree of informative will come, that is more informative. This dictionary is more informative than that dictionary. Second question. The fox is a dash animal. The word in the brackets are clever, cleverer, cleverest. As there is no comparison here, the fox is not compared with any other animal, so the positive degree will come. Positive degree of adjective will come. So here clever is the positive degree. So the fox is a clever animal. Third question. January is the dash month of the winter season. The word in the brackets are cold, colder, coldest. Now January is compared with all the months in the winter season. So the is also written there. That means the superlative degree we will use. So coldest will come. January is the coldest month of the winter season. Fourth question. Mohan is very dash in his walking. The word in the brackets are slow, slower, slowest. Now Mohan is not compared with anyone. So again we will use positive degree here. So we will write Mohan is very slow in his walking. Fifth question. She is more dash than her sister. The word in the brackets are tall, taller, tallest. Now she is compared with her sister. The comparison is done between two people, she and her sister. So the comparative degree of tall is taller. She is more taller than her sister. Sixth, Sumit is the dash of the 3. The word in the brackets are young, younger, youngest. Now we will use here superlative degree as it is preceded by the and also more than 2 people it is compared. So we will use the superlative degree which is youngest. Sumit is the youngest of the 3. Seventh question. Ramesh is dash then Mahesh. The word in the brackets are fat, fatter, fattest. Now Ramesh is compared with Mahesh and also then is there. So we will use comparative degree. So the comparative degree is fatter. Ramesh is fatter than Mahesh. Eighth question. This dish is the dash in the menu. The words in the brackets are delicious, more delicious, most delicious. Now in the menu, many dishes are given there. More than 2 dishes are there. So we will use superlative degree here. This dish is the. Now the is there also. So again we will use superlative degree. So the superlative degree is most delicious. This dish is the most delicious in the menu. Ninth question. It is dash today than it was yesterday. The word in the brackets are hot, hotter, hottest. Now today's weather is compared with the yesterday's weather. So comparison is done between two. So we will use the comparative degree. So hotter will come. It is hotter today than it was yesterday. 10th question. Who is the dash runner? Ravi or Amit? See children, although we are comparing Ravi and Amit, but we will use the superlative degree here. As I told you, in the superlative degree, it is preceded by the. The adjective is preceded by the. So who is the best runner? So you have to tell the best one. The best runner, Ravi or Amit. Now it's a play time with adjectives. Children, look at the picture and write the correct adjectives for given nouns. See in this picture what you can see: bus, cars, old man, a young boy, a young man, a cow is there, park is there, and one woman sitting on a scooter. So you can write the adjectives, the means the adjectives you want to use for them to describe them. Like boy. So boy is short. So I have written short boy. You can write it school boy, anything. Second, a man. What kind of man it is? Old man is there. And there is one young man also. So you can write it young man. Third, car. So what kind of car it is? Beautiful, nice. Fourth, bus. Now you can imagine bus is always crowded. Bus. So crowded bus. Or you can write a green bus. You can write the color also. Then fifth, street. Now street is busy also. You can write busy. And also it is broad. So broad street. Now cow. Sixth one is cow. Now the color of cow you can write it, or you can write number also, one cow or brown cow. Now seventh, light. Now light, there is a traffic light. So you can say that traffic light. Light, what kind of light it is? Traffic light. Now eighth, girl. Now girl who is sitting on a scooter. So you can say smart girl or pretty girl or beautiful girl. Okay, like this. Now underline the adjective that makes each sentence correct. Now see in this sentence, a truck is fast, faster or fastest than a bicycle. Now truck is compared with bicycle. Also then is written. So obviously we will use comparative degree. So the comparative degree of fast is faster. A truck is faster than a bicycle. Second question. The elephant are the dash of all the animals. Now more than 2, that means superlative degree. So all the animals means you have to use superlative degree. So the elephant are the largest of all animals. So large, larger, largest. So superlative degree is largest. Third, the sun is dash then the moon. Now comparison is done. The sun and the moon. And the word then is also there. So you will use comparative degree. Now word in the brackets are bright, brighter, brightest. So comparative degree of bright is brighter. The sun is brighter than the moon. Fourth, the cat is small, smaller or smallest than the dog. So cat is compared with dog and then is there. So you will use comparative degree. So it will become smaller. The cat is smaller than the dog. There is a homework for you that you have to compare some people, animals and things and you have to make it yourself. Comparative degree of all these. So in first picture, Aman, Pradeep, and the word is taller. So make it yourself. Then second is Tushar, Saina. Then hair is short. So make it yourself. Comparative degree. Pawan, Sanju, and the word is older in the third picture. Fourth, Love and Kush is noisier. So you make it yourself. In what way you will make it comparatively? Then in another page, the shopping mall you have to compare with house is bigger. Which is bigger? You have to write down. The red pencil and the blue pencil, which one is longer? Is longer. So you have to compare it and write the sentence. Make it properly. Then the rabbit and the tortoise, who is faster? Is faster is written there. So you have to tell which one is faster. The book or the paper is heavier. Which is heavier? You have to compare the things and make the sentence in a proper way. I hope children you have understood the chapter nicely and you will do your work very nicely in your book. Also children, keep yourself safe. With this I want to thank you. Thank you.